What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today, XRP is seeing a little bit of a gain on today's date. I mean, we're seeing everything that's kind of moving. The overall market is up to a $1.7 trillion market cap. And at the time of recording this is where everything is. However, you never know if things are going to change. Things can change drastically in a matter of an hour. We've seen it. But we're hopeful that we will see it continue on this route and continue to push up, and XRP will run, and BTC will run, or whatever. Everything will make a move. But XRP is up right now, and the time of recording this is 10:47 a.m. So you'll probably be seeing this somewhere around 5 p.m. But I wanted to talk about one, the position and where it is, but mainly the conversation is hovering around what I've talked about before, which it was around the Fed, right? The Fed buyback could be a thing that happens. And a lot of people are misconstruing this. They're saying that it's something that will definitely happen. It's 100%, that I'm saying it's 100% will happen. I'm not saying it will 100% happen. And people are asking me and telling me, look, if you truly believe this is going to get to $18,000 and you're going to be able to have it bought back by the Fed, why would you not hold all of it? And you're telling me that you won't decide to hold all of it, or you don't have a plan of becoming a millionaire. That's very true. I don't have a plan of becoming a millionaire. I don't. There is something within my overall plan, but I'm fully comfortable with gaining $70,000 from it, gaining $100,000 from it, gaining a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if I get to millions, fantastic. That's great, and I will be happy with it. But I'm not banking everything on becoming a millionaire. And that's the part of investing that I think people don't understand, is that you can't just go all or nothing. The people that go all or nothing, they end up losing a lot of what they had at the top. Now, let's take, for instance, no offense, Pro the Doge, but let's take Pro the Doge and how he invested in the Dogecoin. It got all the way up to 76 cents. He had like almost, $3 or $4 million, and it went down to a value where it was less than $1 million. He was no longer a millionaire by not selling any portion of his position. Now, I don't expect to do that, right? He went from $180,000 to $3 million. I'm going from $10,000 to potentially 70, 300, or even getting up to $1 million, right? That's what I'm looking for, but I'm not banking everything on getting completely bought out at $18,000. That's what people need to understand. So let's go into the detail and let's explain this a little bit more so that you guys have a true understanding of exactly where I'm coming from. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to trade XRP, if you want to trade maybe a little bit of XRP, but potentially get way more than what the normal person could get, if you were investing $100 or $1,000, feel free to check out my Margex link. You can leverage your XRP at a 5x leverage or all the way up to a 50x leverage if you wanted to. And if you have a foolproof strategy, you can make a hell of a lot of money. I can't say that I have a foolproof strategy. I've been able to make a decent amount of money from these and been able to collect XRP. That's how I got up to 20,000 myself. But I'm nowhere near going at a 50x leverage. I'm doing it at a 5x leverage, and I currently have some over there right now. That's down right now, but I expect it to be up at some point. But I do have it traded over on here, where I have XRP that's traded over here, but I'm down about $67. And we can see it flourish a lot more. It is at a 5x leverage that's there. I also have XRP traded at an 8x leverage right here. So I'm consistently making these trades over on this platform. I'm leveraging XRP for BTC, leveraging XRP for Solana, and I receive XRP in return. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check out my link for Margex down below. But what I wanted to talk about first was XRP and how it has been moving, the positive stuff, right? Right now, we're seeing XRP up about 3%, 2.8%, almost at a 52-cent price. Now, it's nowhere near where it was at a 60-cent price or 65 or 70-cent price, but seeing any type of positivity in the down market that we have seen in the last couple of days, it's great to be able to see this positivity overall. The entire market is up by 4.5%. We're seeing this at a $28 billion market cap with $1 billion worth of volume. Now, the other day, it might have been yesterday, but I'm not sure, all of them blend together. I made a spreadsheet and talked about my exit plan and talked about how much I would let the Fed buy out. And I went all the way to this point, right, to spoil the video. I went all the way to this point and said that I would spend about 801 at that level of $18,000 because I have this exit plan to where I'm going to take profit and do all of that. But I had this down here where it talks about my reality, expectation, max profit. Let's see if I can increase the size of this because I'm not so sure that you guys can see it. But I have my reality, expectation, and max profit. Reality was 70,000. Expectation was 380,000, and the max profit was 29 million. Drastic difference between all of them, right? 70,000 and 400,000 or so is massive. Just understand that if I do get to these points, so some of these points, let's say reality is up to a value of $20. Some of these points, I'll still have 300,000 left over if I decided to sell at these points, right? Which I'm not. I'm not going to sell all of it at those points. Same thing goes for expectation, right? Expectation goes to $100, where I can still have over $1 million and become a millionaire at those points. So I'm not expecting to become a millionaire. Expectation would be to get 300, 400,000. However, you could still become a millionaire because you now can pocket $1 million if I decided to sell all of it at those points. But the reason why I do this and the reason why I'm not selling everything at $18,000, the reason why I'm not expecting to become a millionaire is because that's what investing is all about. Investing is about collecting your initial investment, protecting your investment, collecting your profit as time goes on. And then if you treat it in the long term, you should be able to have consistent profit year over year within that position. And that's what I plan on doing, because if you see all of these different prices that it could get to, $100 or $100,000, $100,000 here, 125, 137, 150, and I'm just going to be taking like tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in a lot of these places, which could be quarters, they could be years, if it does find a way to get to those points. But everything really has to line up in order to get there. So it's not 100% a guarantee. And if something's not 100% a guarantee, you have to protect yourself. You have to protect your investment that you made. So the first initial spot that I'm going to take it as $5, a $269 billion market cap. I believe that's going to get there. I believe I'm going to take $10,000 from there. That's still not my initial investment, but I'm taking the $10,000 that I currently have at value right now, which is $10,400 currently. It's probably a little bit over that because it's sitting closer to 52, which is about $11,000. But either way, I'm taking $10,000 here, which gets me majority of my initial investment back. Then I can kind of be comfortable holding for as long as possible because I don't need to take any of that. While it still is worth $100,000, $122,000, I don't need to take any of that. I can sit on those gains and continue to take those profits as it does go up to certain levels that I want, $10, $20, whatever. It's not something where you have to take all of your profit just because it's there, right? If you take your initial investment, the money that you have in there doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. I don't expect to become a millionaire from XRP alone. I expect to become a millionaire in my short-term amounts, my short-term profits, my short-term plays, by all of my projects. As I'm taking my initial investment, profit, letting it live its life, having my forever coins within the positions, I expect to gain millions of dollars from those. Overall portfolio, spoil another video, turning $60,000 into about $6 or $8 million overall. That's kind of what my mindset is. But XRP alone, no, it's not an expectation to get there. But I would love it if it did. So let me know your thoughts. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.